Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, in our last class, we have discussed about action words, right? So, we have discussed about action words. So, let's continue with it. So, I told you that action words are the words that tells what a person, animal, or thing does. Okay, so action words are the words that tells that what a person, animal, or thing does. They are called action words. And action words, they are also called as doing words or verbs. Okay, so whatever work someone doing, these are the action words. That is their action, and they are known as action words. Like in my last class, I showed you some flashcards. So let's revise it. So see what the boy is doing. So the boy is climbing. So here the action is climbing. What is the action word here is climbing. Now what the baby is doing. So the baby is crying. So what is the action of the baby? Action of the baby is crying. What the girl is doing? The girl is jumping. So here the action word is jumping. Okay, so because jumping is describing what this girl is doing. Now this is what the girl is doing. The girl is brushing. So here the action word is brushing. Okay, what the boy is doing? The boy is singing. Action word is singing. Okay, what this lady is doing? The lady is exercising. So here the action word is exercising. Okay, what the baby is doing? The baby is walking. So what is the action of the baby? Is walking. Okay, now what this girl is doing? The girl is writing. Here the action word is writing. Okay, now what these two kids are doing? So these kids are hugging. So the action here is hugging. Okay, now what this girl is doing? The girl is biting. So action word is, here what is the action of the girl is? Biting. What this girl is doing? Catching. So the action word here is catching. Okay, are you getting it? Now what this boy is doing? The boy is throwing. The boy is throwing. So what is the action of the boy? The action of the boy is throwing. What this baby is doing? The baby is crawling. Here the action is crawling. So the action of the baby is crawling. Okay, now you understand? So these are the action words. What are these? These are the action words. Okay, so put down the date on the top. Today is 18th December 2020. Okay, now let's do it. See, the first is already what you have to do. Write the action word. The first is done for you. Here what is he doing? He is cooking. So we pick the cooking from here and we write down here. Now what is she doing? What is this called as? She is driving. So what is the action here? Driving. So you have to write here driving. Okay, now you understood what are action words? Now, what is he doing? So what is he doing? Swimming. Take the spelling from here and write down swimming. Now, what this girl is doing? Brushing. What is she doing? Brushing. So write down here brushing. So kids, when your mama cooks food in the kitchen, so what is the action of your mother? The action is cooking. So that is also an action. Now what is he doing? What is he doing? He is dancing. So you just pick the spelling from here, dancing, and write down here. Easy. Dancing. Okay, no need to learn spelling. You only have to pick it up from here. Now we'll do the next page. Again, put the date on the top. So there are so many pages of action words in your book. Okay, so we'll do that. Now here you have to write down full sentence. What is she doing? She is eating. Okay. What is he doing? He is sitting. Okay. So you have to write the sentence with the action word. So what is he doing? Let's write down. He is sitting. Sitting. He is sitting. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is laughing. He is laughing. Write down. He is laughing. 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 What is he doing? He is singing. So write down. He is singing. He is singing. Now, you know, she and this is he. We use she for girls. We use he for boys. See, all boys. So, we use he and she we use for girls. Again, we will use she here because this is a girl. So, what is she doing? She is standing. So, lie down. She is standing. Standing. So, eating, sitting, laughing, singing and standing. And don't forget to put the full stop here. When our sentence is complete, so we will put full stop. Okay. This is called as full stop. Okay. So you have to write sentence over here and here you have to write down only action words. Okay. So now we will do one more page today. Okay. Because you have 2 days holidays. So put the date again. And you can share your work till Sunday. So you have 3 days. Today, tomorrow and one more day. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can easily do these 3 pages and share your work on Sunday evening. Okay. Alright. Now let's do it. What is he doing? Again, this is same as this one. Like this we have done. Similarly, this also you have to do. What is he doing? He is swimming. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is reading. So write down. She is reading. Okay. Again, what is she doing? She is skating. See, skates. So we'll write down. She is skating. Okay, now kids tell me, what is he doing? He is playing. Okay, so write down, what is the action of this boy? Is playing. So he is playing. Okay, now next is, what is he doing? He is dancing. So what is the action of this boy? Is dancing. So he is dancing. Dancing. Okay, easy. So kids, you have to do these 3 pages. Page number 1, very simple. You have to write action words only. Here you have to write full sentence. Options are given on the top. So you just pick it up from here and you have to write down here. Sitting, laughing, singing and standing. Okay. And also on this page all the options are given on the top. Okay. So you have to just pick the option from the top and you have to write down here. Very easy. So kids, do these 3 pages and page number 110 in your literacy book, page number 111 and page number 112. Do these 3 pages and share your work till Sunday evening. Okay kids, bye bye, take care, and we will meet soon again. Bye bye, take care.